Alright, t-shirts just got here. Just pulled up with my Uber driver. So, guess we about to get an unboxing video right now. Man, because I was already planning to do a little vlog for my channels. And perfect time, and I mean, absolutely perfect. Let's see. Man, you a cool dude.
Man, you cool dude, man. and I'm gonna tell you, I'm proud of you.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that, man. I actually really needed that today. Okay.
Show that to the camera, man.
Oh, VantagePoint, baby. Oh, dude, that's dope.
That's sharp.
It is. Came out good. It's all right. Okay.
They did good, man.
They did all right. Nice, nice,
Man,
nice.
congratulations, man.
Thank you, dude. Like, this is, you don't know, this is like the start. I've been skating 7 years. Had this business, this page, this team for 4 or 5 years now. And it's just, I don't know, man. I've been working on this a long time.
Look, keep that in you right there.
Right, yes, sir. Keep God in it, man. Dude, it's,
Man,
thank you, dude.
congratulations.
And what was your
man.
name again?
I'm Sarge. Everybody calls me Sarge.
Sarge?
Yeah.
I'm Justin, man.
Pleasure to meet you, man.
Pleasure to meet you too, bro.
I'm glad to see you, man. You got a smile that's unreal right now.
Man, dude, thank you. Thank you so much. And I appreciate you talking to me, man.
No, hey, no problem, man. Hey, you got it going on. Keep it going.
I will. Thank you so much, dude.
Take care, buddy.
You too. That's so lit, man. That's so lit. This order is exclusive limited edition, so they're 20 bucks. 20 bucks. I'll make my money. Let me know. I mean, you know, if you want to stop by and leave like you got like a number or something?